Counting on by 1 is one way to add 6 more. Start at 7, then count on 6 more. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. You can also break apart the 6. Adding 3 and 3 is one way to add 6 more. 7 plus 3 plus 3 equals 13.
I get the same sum no matter how I add.
How is this number line different from the previous one?
Let's try it. Okay, so look here. What we did this time is we did 6 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you look at this one, they knew that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So they did 3 and 3. So you still get the same answer, but they just did shorter skips. They did it where you only did 2 skips instead of 6 skips. So 3 and 3.
Only the numbers 7, 10, and 13 have been placed on this number line. Why does this number line show that you start at 7, add 3, and then add 3 again? Plus 6. So you start at 7. 6 is broken apart into 3 and 3. So you add one part of 6, and then you add the second part of 6. Do you get the same answer as you did by starting at 7 and counting on 6? Explain.
You do get the same answer. Yeah, Brantley?
I still don't get that.
We're going to talk about it. Yep, this is kind of tricky. We're going to learn about it right now. Okay. You're going to need your paper and pencil or whatever you have to write on and to write with.
Miss Toby.
Yes.
I already had that.
Perfect. Okay. So, what we're
Miss
going to do, yes,
Do we write a number line?
I'm going to show you. Yep, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to make a blank number line with 2 arrows on either side, like that. Give me a thumb or pencil or pen or whatever you have up. What are you
Miss
going
Toby.
with? Yes.
Can we do our own double, like our own adding thing or taking away thing?
We're going to do this first and then we'll see. So we're going to work on this first. Okay, do you guys have your number line drawn?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We have 4 plus 7, right? So we have to pick our bigger number. Show me on your fingers what's bigger, 4 or 7? 4 or 7? Yes, 7. So you guys are going to start on your number line and write a 7. Put a line and a 7. Just like that. Now, that means we still have 4, don't we? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 lines on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a thumb or pencil or something up when you have that done. So you're going to draw 4 lines because 4 was left. Good. Now, we're going to draw our skips on top. We're going to draw our skips on top of that. And we counted by 1, so we're going to say +1, +1, +1, plus 1 on the top. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Because you're counting by 1. Let me know when you have that done. Okay, perfect. Now we have to count by 1. Ready? I want to see your mouth moving so I know you're counting. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you're going to fill those numbers in up to 11. Very good, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job. So then the sum or the answer is 11. Just like that. Very good. All right. So, Ms. Brantley, do you have a question? I can't hear you, Brantley. You're muted.
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. So let's look at 6 plus 6.
It was something else.
Okay. Well, we'll talk about that later. Okay. Draw a number line again. Draw an empty, open number line. Yes, Emma? Oh, good. Okay. Do you have a question or are you good?
I can't see all the board.
I know it's hard to see, babe. Babe, what we're doing is we're just drawing a line across and then you're putting
You did. I don't know if I'm going to do it all of it or can you try to see that? I don't know.
So you're just doing this, Emma. You're just drawing a line and then 2 arrows on the end. That's all you're doing. Okay. Now, we have a doubles fact. So that means that 1 is not bigger, is it? So we're just going to start with 6. We're just going to start with 6. That means we have to do 6 more, don't we? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, Brantley?
The numbers on mine aren't touching the number line.
Okay. Yep, that's okay. All right, so we have 6 lines. We're going to draw 6 little skippies on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me a thumb or pencil or something up when you're done with that one. Perfect. Now we have to count up. Ready? I want to see your mouth counting with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Our sum or answer is 12. Very good. And of course, we counted by ones, didn't we? So we're going to say plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 on top of each bump. We counted by ones. Give me a thumb or pencil or something up when you're done with that one. Because you're doing so good. So good. All right. Now we're going to look at 9 plus 7. Show me with your fingers. What's bigger, 9 or 7? 9 or 7? Yes, Brantley? Do you have a question, Brantley? Do you have a question?
No.
Okay, tell me what's bigger, 9 or 7? 9 or 7? 9 is bigger, so we're going to go ahead and put a 9 on our number line. Which means we have 7 to go, right? So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to put little skippies on top. 7 little skips. Let me know when you guys have that done. 7 little skips on top. Good job, guys. Okay. Now, we have to count by ones. I want you to see your mouth counting with me. Are you ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You need to fill up to 16. And our answer is 16. Good job, guys. Yes, Brantley? Do you have a question? No? Okay. All right, guys. Now, make another open number line with arrows. And then we're gonna talk about 8 plus 6. Show me with your fingers what's bigger, 8 or 6? 8 or 6? Show me what's bigger, 8 or 6? 8 or 6? 8. Very good. So we're going to put an 8 on our number line. Which means we have 6 to skip, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yes, Brantley? Good job. Yeah, perfect. All right, so we're going to do 6 lines and 6 skippies on there. Let me know when you have that done. Good job, guys. All right, now what you're going to do by yourself first is I want you to count and fill these in. So you have 8, and now you need to fill these numbers in, and then we'll go over it. So fill those numbers in. Yes, Brantley? Do you have a question, Brantley? No? Okay. What, Brantley?
I don't get it. What, like, if it has 6 or not?
Because look here, buddy. Look. So we used 8, didn't we? So that means what's left? Yep. So this is the other number. Do you guys see that? You guys see that we use the other number? That's what we're doing. We're using the other number. So we're going to count together. I want to see your mouths moving. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Good job. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're going to play a little game. Are you ready? You don't write anything down yet, so don't write anything down. Just hold on. So, if I start with 10, on your paper, are you ready? On your paper, I want you to write the number of how many more skips we need, 10 or 7. So write on your paper, how many skips are we going to make, 10 or 7? So write on your paper, how many skips, 10 or 7? Give me a thumb, pencil, or something. Let me know when you're done. So you need to write how many more skips do we need to make? How many more skips do we need to make? Mason, can you unmute yourself? How many skips do you think we need to make?
10.
Well, we started with 10, right? So then what do we have left, Mason?
7.
7. Very good, Mason. Thank you. We're going to make 7 skips. Okay. Now I'm going to fill this in, but guess what? I'm going to leave one blank. And that means you guys have to tell me the blank number. Okay, you guys need to tell me what the missing number is here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, blank, 16, 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, blank, 16,
Mute it.
17. So write the missing number. Let me know when you've done that. Write the missing number. Let's see, Adeline, can you unmute yourself?
Okay.
What's our missing number?
15.
15. Thank you, Adeline. Very good. 15 was our missing number. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to have you stand up. You're going to stand up. We're going to move a little bit, but we're going to do math. So stand up. Okay, here's what we're going to do. If I'm going to give you a math fact. I'm going to say 2 plus 5. If 2 is smaller than 5, you're going to bend down. If 2 is bigger than 5, you're going to reach high up in the air. If 2 is smaller than 5, you're going to bend down. If 2 is bigger than 5, you're going to reach up in the air. So what do we think? Let's see, are we up or down? Let's see. We should be down because 2 is smaller than 5. Very good. So we'd start with 5. Okay, let's do another one. What if I said 7 plus 8? If 8 is bigger than 7, hands way up. If 8 is smaller than 7, bend over. If 8 is bigger than 7, hands up in the air. If 8 is smaller than 7, bend over. see arms. Very good, because it's bigger. All right, what if I said 0 plus 2? If 0 is smaller, you bend over. If 0 is bigger than 2, hands up in the air. If 0 is smaller than 2, bend over. If 0 is bigger than 2, hands up in the air. We are bent over because 0 is smaller. All right, now we're going to do something different. Are you ready? Okay. If 1 is bigger than 5, hold up one arm. If 5 is bigger, make silly ears. If 1 is bigger than 5, hold up one arm. If 1 is smaller than 5, make silly ears. Oh, I see silly ears. Very good. All right, what if I said, if...
Miss Toby, enough.
Yes.
Miss Toby, enough.
And all right, we'll do another one of these. If 10 is bigger than 11, make an airplane. If 10 is smaller than 11, point to your brain. If 10 is bigger than 11, make an airplane. If 10 is smaller than 11, point to your brain. It's smaller than 11, you're gonna point to your brain. All right, you guys can sit back down. Very good. All right, we're gonna practice another number line. Are you ready? So make another number line on your paper. Make another number line. All right. I'm going to give you a math fact. You're going to do this by yourself, and then we'll go over it. Okay. Eight plus 5 is your math fact. Do your open number line. See if you can figure this out without my help. We'll go over it in a minute. Working hard. Good job. Okay, so Rowan, can you unmute yourself? What number do we start with, Rowan?
8.
Great, very good. Thank you, Rowan. And Paisley, how many more jumps do we make?
5.
5. Good job, Paisley. Because Paisley knew that we already used 8, which leaves 5. So then, let's see. Addie, can you unmute yourself?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Addie and Adeline can both stay up there together, and then you're gonna both do this together for me, okay? All right. So you two girls, are you gonna count? Ready?
8,
9,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Very good.
Very good. Thank you, girls. You can mute yourself. Good job. 13 is our sum. It's our answer. You guys are rock stars. Good job. All right, now we're going to talk about using our math fist. Are you ready? We're going to use our math fist. All right. Let's do 5 plus 6. So use your math fist to help you. Remember, your fist is the bigger number. 5 plus 6. Use your math fist to help you. 5 plus 6. When you have your answer, give me a thumbs up or pencils up and let me know. 5 plus 6. Let me know when you have the answer or the sum. Perfect. So, you have a question, Mason? Okay, good. Okay, we're gonna make a fist. Are you ready? Everyone has a fist. All right, we're gonna start with 6. 6 is bigger, right? Now you show me how many fingers we're gonna hold up to count up then. 5. Ready? So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we're gonna do another one. 9 plus 9. That's a big one. All right, so go ahead and do 9 plus 9. Use your math fist to help you. 9 plus 9. Let me know when you did 9 plus 9. All right, we have a doubles fact, which means they're the same. So make a fist. That's 9. Now I want you guys to hold up how many more fingers we have to count. 9, right? Okay, so ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. You guys are rock stars. Make sure that when you guys get off of here, you go back on the canvas and you go to your activities, okay? And then I will see you guys at writing time.
I got a question.
Yes.
I already did math.
Perfect. Well, then you can just get caught up on whatever. You can work on whatever you need to work on then. You do whatever you
I'm
need.
Miss Sophie.
Bye, guys. I will see you at writing, okay?
Okay.
Here, bye, guys. See you.
Bye, Miss Toby.
I'll see you later.
See you later.
Miss